You want me to put it in there? Oh, I'll try again. There we go. Oh, good kick. Oh, good kick, right on the money. Were you going for that one? That was good.
A new one.
Kick. Hey guys, this is the basketball court that I used to live around when I was young. They actually improved it a fair bit since then, and it's pretty sturdy, but it's hard when there's no net on there because it's just more aesthetic when you hear that swish sound. Hey guys, I am back with a basketball this time. It's been like a week and a half, and you can see the ring is still up and it hasn't been pulled down yet, so that's a good thing. You want to have a turn? Yeah. There you go. Wow, good throw. Yeah. Be good if I could take the bouncing noise out of it in post or post-production. Let's see if I can. Be good. You could do be good if you could take the noise out, because then you could do like talking head videos while dribbling the basketball.